Hey guys, welcome back. Let's do a market outlook for Gbpjpy. Today is 28th of September 2020, and let's get into the trading view. Alright, we can see gold, so let's not do gold, let's do Gbpjpy. Alright, we have something going on here. This is my current chart, but let's do a fresh one. Okay, usually we do, or should I say, usually I do top level, high time frame to low. So if you go down to the month, I'm going to delete everything here, and let's create some zones here for the month. Let's see, so this is the month. So usually I look at where the last price rejected, so this will be a temporary month resistance because the month have not closed. Usually I color code in purple. So again, the month here at 143942, there is a month resistance. This is not temporary because this is confirmed because the month have closed. And if you go higher, is somewhere around here, 145154, and we have somewhere around here, or we do an average of here, 148184. Right, continuing, there's this 150426, and lastly 154909. So on the downside, we just need to create the reverse off. So the last I would like to take at this point here, where a lot of prices rejected at 132247. So I just gonna enable it here as month support. We just go bigger for you. Okay, so why I choose here is because there is the 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that's why I put as month support. The fact that I put here is because there is a rejection, but the month have not closed. That's why I name it as temporary month resistance. On top of it, there's also price rejection at 143942. I leave it as month resistance, and so forth, and so forth, and so forth, and so forth, and so forth. So by doing this, we will have kind of a zone going around for the month. So let me continue. If you go even lower, there will be one more here at around 128596. But as you can see, back in 3rd October 2016, there is a rejection at 128156. Usually I take at the body closing, but at this point juncture, the averaging out is somewhere there, so I know there is a zone going on. So we go down to the week. The week last week push bearish, however did not go beyond 132065. Possibly it can go upside to test 141639. And let's go to the day. They're looking up, looking as if there is a support being created here. Right, so just let me just explain it out. So just now we were talking about the week. The week has closed bearish last week, but closed above, or so-called above the support, might be creating a support here to go up. Right, the day has started off bullish, as you can see here. it is creating a support down here. It might be going to test this area here before going to the next level at 138, and maybe testing 14200. If it goes down, it will be testing again this support here at 133, maybe 80. If go even lower, is at 132247, or even lower, it goes down to around 129. So you can see the two different outcome. If it goes bullish and bearish, you just need to keep that in mind. So now we go ahead to go into the 4-hourly. So again, I like to do the last hour. So what I normally do is creating a 4-hour ray, a horizontal ray, whereby right now it already exceeded the resistance. So this one I'm just going to leave it as 4H resistance and color code to orange. That's just my preference, color code to orange. Right, then so it's already exceeded the, sorry, just for our resistance, I like to put it up to the top, so I need resistance. And here it already exceeded 13529, and also testing currently the 135966, and it has some kind of rejection. Just going to put some kind of a few 4H resistance just to at the body closing, just to give me a pictorial view of where the price might be able to go. Usually I put it up to here because body closing, but also looking left, I'll be looking out for the wicks. So this one is a 4H wick, 4H wick. So based on experience, when the price is moving upwards, for the case of this one, it will be respecting or testing the highs of the previous 4H. Also, if it can go even higher, it will test the previous H4 wick. So that is my observation. So if it's heading up, so right now there is a lot of gulag around here. So the price might be having difficulty to clear this area, but once if the price closes above this area, next testing will be at 136747, and once it breaks, it will be trying to test the 138049. So that will be what I have in mind. Right, so if it goes bearish, so where does it go down to? So usually what I do is I'll do it like this for his support, bottom, yep, and next one is here for his support, not resistance, just for his support. And next one will be something like this. So then by doing this, I'll know somehow or rather kind of zoning that I'll be looking for. So if it goes below 133498, I need to look left to see is there any recent support being created. Now this will be 1st of July 2020, 133057. Right, then I just need to do one more just in case. It's the resistance, right? 132519. So that's the gameplay. I'm looking at it's going to go bullish, however I need to take note there is a gulag around this area, right? So that's why price has difficulty completing its move because of this area. But once again the price goes above 136383, there's a potential to have a clean traffic to go up to 138049, a peak range of potentially another 177. Okay, so I'm not going to take trade. Basically my approach is to go in the pre-London or London session to establish the market structure and where the price have a foundation to go into the New York or pre-New York. So if you did the analysis or follow my analysis, I did an entry around here. By establishing this is the support to go up to test the area here. Apparently it moved even higher to test 136154 here. I close at here, so no FOMO, and that was the trade for today. And you can see that this is the London or pre-London session. It goes into pre-NY, and none right now is NY, so a big move range of 169 pips. So usually my principle is look out for the prices that is being created in the London and pre-London to go into the pre-New York to New York. Alright, so that's the market outlook for Gbpjpy today, 28th of September 2020. And as a reminder to myself, this is how I approach the chart from higher time frame to even lower, and we'll see how it goes for tomorrow. Cheers.